Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's King Jones coming at you with day 2 to day 5 of my $0 to $1,000 journey. Now, as you can see, I'm in my Clickbank account. I'm going to refresh it just to clear the air so you know it's legit. Now, do it one more time. Alright, so now that's out the way. Let's get started. So, day 2, I made $59.60. Day 3, I made 0, but that's how it goes with entrepreneurship. And this is free traffic. This is all free traffic. So if you're doing free traffic, just know that you're going to have days where you don't make any money, but you have to keep your head up. You have to see the long-term vision of it. And that just know that you're going to have days where you don't make any money, but don't let that discourage you. What is it? The 14th, I made 38.11. And then today, I made 78.12. And I'm going to go and show you what I did these last couple of days. Oh, snap. Alright, so the 12th, I did 3 Instagram posts, 1 YouTube video, and then I promoted that on Reddit, Instagram, and Facebook groups. So what you do is basically, if you're interested in like photography, you create a photography Instagram account and just upload daily content. I recommend that you post at least 3 times a day when you're first starting out. That's what I'm doing. And then YouTube videos, I recommend that you do a decent amount of YouTube videos too when you're first starting out, just to get content out there and so people can find you. But yeah, that's what I did. The 12th. The 13th, I did 1 Instagram post and no YouTube videos. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was lazy this day and I didn't feel like doing a YouTube video, so that's what happened that day. And the 14th, I did 3 Instagram posts and 1 YouTube video, and I promoted that video on Reddit, Instagram, and Facebook groups again. And then today I did 4 Instagram posts and 1 YouTube video, and then I promoted that video again. So I'm going to show you guys what software I use to promote this. Now you don't have to use this. This is just what I use. As you can see, I'm a member of it, so you know. But I'm going to show you like a funnel that I have that has been working. This is one of the products I promote on Clickbank. And I'm going to just show you guys so you know, so you get an idea of what to do if you have no clue. So here it is. Alright. And Clickbank is free. You can get a 14-day free trial. I'll leave a link down below so you can try it out if you want. But here you go. This is one of my funnels. So you need a headline, a sub-headline. You don't really need this image right here. I just threw it in here for like a visual effect. And then you need to capture emails. So, and then I'll leave a link down below for a free email software that I use as well. You get a 30-day free trial for that one. So check that out if you want. But yeah, you need to capture. The reason why you need to capture emails is because if you don't capture emails, then you're sending them right to the offer, and then you'll never see them again. But if you capture emails, then you can promote. If they don't buy the first time, then you could remarket to them. So that's the importance of capturing emails. And then once they hit this button, they get directed to the reading. So, and then if they go on and purchase it, I get a commission. So that's how that works. So if you want to check out ClickFunnels, I'll leave a link down below. It's a 14-day free trial. And then the email software that I use, I'll leave a link down below for that. It's called Aweber. Yeah, as you can see, I'm set up with Aweber. So that's day 2 to day 5. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. And I will see you guys in the next video.